to the channel. So today I'm in the garage on my 2015 Tesla Model S. And today I wanted to add some of these carbon fiber mirror covers onto the side view mirror covers onto it. And what I've noticed that all the sites that has these out there always say they're only for 2016 plus for the Model S. But they look the same, so I decided to order and give it a try, and I'm glad I did. So this is my original red, the red, which looks great. And I put it on, and I think it looks pretty damn good. It fits really well. Don't have any issues with it at all. I mean, it looks really good. I'm eventually going to paint this up black here. I did paint up all the black trim along the bottom. That's that kind of gray flat black. And I love the look of that, so I'm going to end up painting these too as well. So you want to see how I painted up the trim along the bottom, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out that video. But today I want to be able to show you how to connect it up, how to install these on here. As you can see, they have the tape on the inside. I don't know if it's 3M or not, but they do have that in there. But what I also have here too to help out, just to make sure when I'm on the freeway doing 120 that these don't fly off, I have some of my 3M tape that I'm going to put in on a couple of extra spots on here, just to make sure everything is complete. So the first thing you'll do, you'll get this primer here that comes in the package. You only get one, so you end up doing both sides. I already wiped it down, but you just wiped it down, making sure to pay close attention to where the tape inside of here should fall on here, just to make sure to really get those areas. You want it nice and clean. You want it oil-free. It's probably a good idea to wipe this down before using this and then go over it with this right here after it dries. All right, so what you'll notice what I've done so far, I put some 3M tape here and some 3M tape back here. So I'll just take the covering off here and the covering off there. All right, now in prepping this right here to be installed, what you may want to do is pull these partially off, because when they're all off, it can be difficult to get it in place because we want to stick at every point. So you may want to like pull these off to that point. That way they'll hang out when you put it on. And so once you get it in place, then from the outside you can just grab that and pull it all the way out. Except for this one though, you'll never have access to that one, so you'll want to go ahead and take that one off. But the others, you may want to get it so that the tip sticks out. Like so. You remember we have sticky tape already here and here, so that's going to want to grab right away. Make sure that your red tabs are sticking out, because the last thing you want to do is get it on there and you can't get access to a particular red tab. All right, so this is the look with them on. I definitely love the fitment of those. All right, and when I was talking about painting the trim, this is what I was talking about. When you go out and look at yours, it's not an attractive flat grayish black look, but I painted all mine, and they are all black and shiny. It's a high gloss. So if you want to see how I did that, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you hit that like button as well.